rinse the whole bike down, get kind of a majority of everything off. Pretty caked on there. Definitely don't use a pressure washer. Then I'm going to take a rag, wipe down that chain as much as I can. Get all the dirt off of it, all the old grease. Goodness, what a view right there. That is gorgeous. The bike is looking okay. It's got a little bit of mud on it. I'm going to try to add to that today. Get the bike as dirty as possible. There's a really long gravel bike trail. I'm going to really cake on the dirt. I'm going to clean the chain and lubricate the chain as well. So a little bit of bike maintenance. Chain maintenance is important because you don't want to wear your sprocket out, which is the thing that holds the chain, and you will wear your chain out prematurely. So yeah, we're gonna hit that today. We are also gonna completely wash the bike, make it spotless, better than it's ever been. I think I know where some mud is. Pop a little wheelie on the bridge. They're going pretty quick, actually. They're going like 20 miles per hour. Oh my God. We are on top of this hill. Beautiful little spot. What up? Alright. Back into the thick woods. Might not be much mud back here. Little grass on the bike. Nothing too crazy. And kick up a little bit of dirt. Here's our favorite little spot. Beautiful little campsite. There's a really long gravel trail that stretches like from one city to the next. I'm gonna go hit that up and get this bike nice and dirty, filled with that dusty gravel dust. All right, there was a bug in my shoe. Nice. There was a bug. Is that a spider? I think there's a spider right there. Imagine that. Alright, here we go. Here's the trail. So this thing goes for miles. I'm just gonna rip it down this trail and get the bike nice and dirty. Woohoo, baby! Going 50 on gravel is insane. got a tunnel. Oh my god, that's sketchy. That's so sketchy. I couldn't see anything. A little tractor crossing. I'm gonna stop right here. There is a little chill spot down here. Look at this. There's like a dam over there too. What is that bug? Very nice, very nice. What is this? There's a chunk of steel. I'm getting bit up by mosquitoes. I wonder if there's fish in this. I gotta throw a rock over there, of course. More rock. Big ol' rock. Yeah. Oh, just annihilated that mosquito. Time to get out of here. There are clams. That's beautiful. Look at that. That's sick. That came out of there. Wow. I'm gonna go set it up on the bridge. Dude, if a deer popped out right now, I'd be so... Oh, there's a gas station over here. Nice. No flat tires. A little dusty. It is time to head back and then get to washing this here bike. Oh my god, I'm recording myself. That's wonderful. Just sitting there recording myself. So I've went a couple miles. I have 2% battery left on my phone. GG's, guys. GG's. Here's my beautiful shirt that I was wearing in the back of my helmet. Bike got pretty dirty. Time to clean it. Time to clean this bad boy up. This thing is dirty. Very dusty. So the first thing I'm going to do is just make sure everything is closed up. Everything is in tight because you don't want any water getting into spots you don't want. The first thing I'm going to do is rinse the whole bike down, get kind of a majority of everything off. Pretty caked on there. Definitely don't use a pressure washer, because you will spray things that you don't want to spray. Some people say to take the battery out, and then you gotta plug up the connectors. You know, like tape them up. but I say just leave it in. Leave it in and have it plugged in. Should be fine. Just gonna douse everything, get most of the mud off. Alright, she's pretty rinsed off. Got all the dirty areas. You can see there's still some spots on there. So what I'm gonna do is take a little microfiber with some soapy water. They say not to use dish soap because it is a degreaser, and you can take off grease and bearings and I mean the chain grease I'm purposefully going to be taking off so that I can re-grease it. I'm gonna give this a good scrub down. Oh yeah. Freaking mosquitoes. I got this candle for the mosquitoes and I don't think it's helping. A citronella candle. I'm just gonna hit everything. I'm gonna get it all soapy. It's better to have like one of those hand scrubby things, but when you're on a budget, this is just fine. This bike is gonna look so good after this. Alright, next step is to rinse all that soap off. Spray a little bit of WD-40 on the chain. And they say not to use WD-40 on chains because it strips. And also you don't want to get the WD-40 on your brake pad. So I'm going to spray that on there as a water displacer. It's not a permanent thing. Then I'm going to take a rag, wipe down that chain as much as I can. Get all the dirt off of it, all the old grease. The other thing you can do is get yourself one of these brushes and hit every part of the chain that you can. So I got most of the old grease off, most of the dirt. Looking pretty shiny now. Once the chain is dry, then I can apply the grease. So, what I'm gonna do in the meantime, avoid these freaking mosquitoes, and I'm gonna wipe this down with another fresh microfiber. Just hit all the spots. It's gonna make the bike look really good. And also, when it gets dry, I'll take the battery out and clean inside the battery area. Get that looking nice. So I'm just gonna hit everything. Beautiful. Oh, that was my first loop right there. That's the mark from that. Not bad. Move my bike into the sun over here. That should help it dry off way quicker. Yeah, buddy. Oh my god, there's some dog poop right here. There's definitely some dog poop right there. Dang. So I just got some of this good stuff. Says it won't fly off. The maintenance guy at my job told me that this stuff also works as a good chain lubricant. So what I do is I put some of this on there, and then afterwards I just spread just a little tiny bit on there of that. The back of my helmet got dirty. I'm gonna take a wet rag to that, so it helps to have the bike up on. I'm using the cardboard that came in the box for this bike. So what you do is you get your chain lube ready. Turn the bike on eco mode while you're applying the chain lube. You just spin the tire a little bit. Some people don't like the thought of that, but I've seen it done before. Alright, this stuff is so funny to work with. But yeah, and then you're good to go. Ready to ride. Oh. It's like, it's so foamy. It's hilarious. Apply generously. Get that thing nice and lubed up. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a wonderful day. Peace.